been researching all kinds of new sensors, getting to know the current system, and testing them all out.
3D CAD modeling, I do some physical fabrication stuff, putting things together, and I do a lot of 3D printing.
Most of my days working in CAD, designing various parts and assemblies.
A lot of what I've been doing recently has been writing programs to test different parts to control them, and then making circuits to control those parts as well.
In electrical design for new development.
Definitely getting to know the team and all the hands-on experience I've been able to have.
Favorite part of working here is getting to see projects from start to finish, getting to work hands-on with things.
Working with a great team back here in our engineering department, as well as some of the training and lessons that I've learned while my time in industry.
So my favorite part of working at RedZone so far has been working on an important project, an upgraded version of a current robot, and actually having real responsibility.
Getting to sit back here with all of these lovely people and getting to talk to them and see their faces every day.